Hey, what's going on, good people? Welcome to Russ Can Fly. Oh, I'm so excited. The logo is here.
Perfect.
Okay, so yes, I've got it blanked out, and so before I review the reveal the logo, there's a few things I want to do. Yes, I'm going to get to the reveal, and yes, but there's so many things. So first, I want to thank you all for participating in the creation of this logo, and it really means a lot to me. So many of you reached out to me with various ideas, fonts, ways to arrange it, all kinds of stuff. It was crazy. And one of the things I had to do is because there were so many different options and I really don't have an artistic eye, I really had to enlist the help of my wife and my brother-in-law, both who have artistic backgrounds. I mean, my brother-in-law is actually a very, very amazing artist, does a lot of graphics art himself. But my wife is also very good and has a very good, keen artistic eye. So there were so many different options and so many different fonts and so much with the electronics and mixing stuff and how to delete backgrounds and all that kind of stuff. And making backgrounds transparent is going to be an issue that I'm going to discuss. That's why I have to talk about this, because I was trying to wait for all of that to be done. It is all done, but I was waiting for the products. There's supply chain issues and all that kind of stuff, and I just couldn't wait anymore. And I know I wasn't going to do more of these Upload Wednesdays, but I guess this was just too exciting. I just could not wait. So, but at any rate, the first thing I wanted to do, I thank you all for participating in this. You made this happen. And like I said, I couldn't believe the response. It was absolutely overwhelming. The other thing that I want to announce is, when I reveal this logo, is there is going to be some changes. I'm going to explain what those are. I definitely wanted to get something out over the airways because I just couldn't take it. I've had like the basically draft design for a couple weeks now. I've been sitting on it. I've been waiting. It's all I can think about. I just want to get it out there. So the thing that I want to say is, with this video, I'm actually launching the merchandise store. Yes. At the bottom of every video going forward, you will see the merch shelf for all of the different merchandise. Now, you may say to yourself, Russ, why should I buy any merchandise from your website or from your merchandise shop? I'm glad you asked that question. I am not interested in, this making me rich by any stretch of the imagination. But I will say this. I want to share aviation with as many people as I possibly can. Now, I'm not going to lie to you. Aviation is not cheap, especially the fuel. You think you're paying high prices to fill up your car? Well, guess what? Airplanes take fuel as well, and it ain't cheap. In fact, I landed at an airport and the fuel was $7.49 a gallon. And then when you're talking about putting in 25, 30, 40 gallons, you do the math, it adds up. I don't want money to be a barrier to sharing the sheer joy of what it's like to be in a small aircraft. So I don't want anybody to come fly with me thinking that they have to pay me anything. In fact, I don't want anybody to pay me anything. Unless you twist my arm, I'll take your money. No, but I'm just saying, you know what I'm saying? I just don't want people to feel obligated because, look, times are tough. People are trying to make ends meet. And I don't want people to not come thinking that, I can't really give Russ any money. I know it probably costs him some money to fly. I don't want to do it. So if he asks me, I'm going to say no. Don't do that. The whole point for the merchandise shelf is that I will then have a pot of money that I will definitely be able to tap into to use to fly people who don't have the wherewithal or really have other expenses. I don't want that to be a barrier to why it is you say yes or no to flying with me, okay? So that's the whole point of the merchandise shelf. All of that money will be set aside and it'll be used for expenses like fuel, rental costs for the airplane, that kind of stuff. So please, if I ask you to fly with me, and you are even dreaming of hesitating because you think there's going to be a financial issue, don't worry about that. And even if I just sell one shirt, one hat, one coffee mug, whatever, it doesn't matter. I still don't want you to say no. But, you know, I'm hoping to, you know, defray the cost and, you know, have some freedom in flying as many people as often as I want to. All right. So that's why the merch shelf, it's launching today as well. I'm so excited. I've been waiting for this day for weeks. But yeah, but all of you who had a hand and sending me the logo stuff, sending fonts, there is even like design types of things that we took into ideas. This logo really takes into account a lot of different input from a lot of people. So thank you very much. All right, so time for the reveal. Ta-da! Here it is, the Russ Can Fly logo. I'm gonna go up close so you can see what it looks like, both front and back. And I'm going to tell you how it's going to change when you see it in the merch store, when you look down at the bottom of this video. It should be down there somewhere. So let's look at the shirt itself. So one of the things that you'll see, if I can get my shadow out of the way, is you'll see the logo has kind of like this white border around it, this box. In the final version, and when you purchase a shirt or whatever, coffee mug, whatever, this border will not be here. I had a very, very wonderful brother help me with making borders transparent. So the only thing will be is the logo. Unfortunately, I was too impatient to wait for the actual demonstration shirt that doesn't have the border. So the new shirts won't have the border. The one in the shop, I have one on the way, but of course, because of supply chain issues, it's taking forever for it to come. I ordered these some time ago before we figured out that kind of technical issue of like removing the border or making that box transparent. So, but this will no longer be here. Then on the back, it will say, "Let's fly!" Now, one of the things that I had to do differently is I had this little smiley face. That design is a little different. You will see if you go into the store and you check it out, I basically removed that, but there is kind of like an airplane. It's like kind of doing a zigzag. Oh, it's so cool. There's like this little zigzag pattern or whatever. It'll still have the "Let's Fly" on the back, but the little zigzag pattern with a little airplane as opposed to the smiley face for the apostrophe will be there. And so that's the shirt, and it'll be available in all kinds of different colors. But yeah, that is the logo. So as you can imagine, I'm just so excited, a little overwhelmed. There's like so many different moving parts, so many pieces. A lot of this computer stuff was like crazy, and like removing borders and making them transparent and sizing and switching and which store to use. By the way, if any of you other YouTubers use Teespring, don't. Just stop, because they suck. Just, you know, it looks great, it looks fancy, but they've got something going on. Just stay away from Teespring. But at any rate, yeah, so there's a lot of different things, which shops connected, how many, you know, how I was able to connect my shelf to the YouTube channel. It's just so crazy. That's why a lot of this stuff is for kids, because if you're working a real job and you're taking care of stuff, you just don't have the time, plus trying to edit videos and upload them and all that kind of stuff, it is bananas. But suffice it to say, you know, it has all come together, and I really want to thank you all for, you know, supporting. Now, apparently, since I'm launching the shop today, for the next 2 weeks, you get a discount. I'm not exactly sure what that discount looks like, but you know, that's what I see when I was like messing around in the store and setting it up and all that kind of stuff and fussing. Weeks upon weeks of frustration and moving it around and which products, and each product needed its own design. It's just crazy. But the other thing that's cool about this spreadshop that I'm using, you can actually design some stuff yourself. So it was just definitely a much better platform. So trying to find the right platform for the merchandise, because there's a bunch of them out there, but there's only so many to connect to YouTube. It was just crazy. But good Lord was, you know, blessed me abundantly. Somebody's flying. Good Lord bless. You see, I'm so excited, I can't even talk. The good Lord blessed me abundantly, and it has all come together. So the design is out there, the shop is open, open for business. Apparently the next 2 weeks you get a discount. And again, no pressure. This isn't about, you know, trying to be like a money-making proposition. If it's a zero-sum gain, perfect. That would be, because the most important thing that I get out is I can't wait to see the joy and or fear from people when they fly. And again, I just don't want finances or money to be a barrier to those experiences. All right, so that's it. Really quick video. Just wanted to do this on Upload Wednesday. Probably not gonna do too many more Upload Wednesdays. Thank you guys who responded to the poll. I know that there's a support for Upload Wednesday. I'm thankful for that. I was worried about that being too much, but apparently it's not. You guys don't. So every now and then I'll drop in with something kind of kooky or fun for an Upload Wednesday. But Upload Friday is the day. But this Upload Wednesday I had to do because I've been waiting to do this for so long. But here we are. Russ Kid, Russ Can Fly, got a merchandise shop, new logo. It's all ready. Hats, mugs, all of that kind of hoodies, you know, shirts, all that good stuff. All right. And one of the things that I'm going to do is, of course, I'm going to order some to have them on hand to give them away as gifts, you know, or I may even have, you know, competitions or something like that where I'll ask a question on a random Wednesday video. First person to answer the question correctly will get us a free shirt. All kinds. That's the kind of stuff we could do. We can have all kinds of fun. All right, so anyway, I gotta get busy. Got a lot to do. Gotta edit this video. Gotta get it uploaded. Gotta connect the shop. Hopefully everything works out so that by the time you see this at 2 o'clock, we're good to go. Shop is up and we're smoking. All right, so let me get to work. Thank you again for all your support. This community has been so amazing and so life affirming. You really just don't know. So at any rate, Russ Kid, Russ Can Fly, new logo, new shirt, new merch, all that good stuff. Let's get it. Thank you. I love you all. God bless. Peace.